Today's event is truly historic. The signing of the Treaty of Accession by the Democratic Republic of the Congo marks the formal entry into the East African Community, having satisfied the conditions set under Article 3 and 4 of our treaty, and following its admission during our virtual extraordinary summit held on the 29th of March this year. To my brother and friend, President Tshisekedi, and to the people of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, we welcome you to the East African Community Customs Union and the East African Community Common Market. These two are the signature pillars of our community and the foundation upon which the social, political, trade, investment, and economic interests stand. The accession signature immediately brings DRC into the realms and provisions of all the protocols and regional policies of the East African Community. It will be followed by the immediate removal of all the existing non-tariff barriers, as well as limitations on the movement of capital, goods, services, and people. This will in time lead to a major increase in intra-East African Community trade.